Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn the sounds and words of the alphabet G, H, and I. Are you ready? Now let's begin. The first letter for today is the letter G. So there are two ways of the letter G. The uppercase G and the lowercase g. But don't worry, both G's have the same sound. The letter G sounds like G, G, G. It sounds like G, G, G. Now it's your turn to say it. Very good! Now what words can we think of that starts with the letter G? Do you know what this is? That's right. It is a goose. G, 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 goose. G, 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 goose. Now it's your turn. Very good! Now you know how to say the word goose. How about another word? What could this be? It is a goat. G, 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 goat. G, 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 goat. Now it's your turn to try. Fantastic! Now you know the word goat. Do you want to try another word? Let's do it! Now what do you think this word could be? You guessed it. This is a grass. G, 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 grass. G, 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 grass. Now it's your turn to try. Now that was awesome! You have learned to say the word grass. How about we move on to the next letter? What letter could that be? The letter is H. Just like the letter G, there are two ways of the letter H, the uppercase H and the lowercase h. And both H's have the same sound. Now are you ready to sound out the letter H? All right. Let's begin. The letter H sounds like ha, ha, ha. It sounds like ha, ha, ha. Now would you like to try it? Nice work! Now what words can we think of that starts with the letter H? Do you know what this could be? How about a hat? Ha, 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 hat. Ha, 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 hat. Now it's your turn to try. Well done! Now you can say the word hat. Let's try another word with the letter H. What word could this be? It is a hug. Ha, 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 hug. Ha, 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 hug. Now you can try it. Wonderful! You've learned how to say the word hug. Now what words can we think of that start with the letter H? What word could this be? You guessed it. It is a horse. Ha, ha, horse. Ha, 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 horse. Now it's your turn. Great work! Now you know how to say the word horse. How about we learn the sound of the third alphabet? What letter could that be? You guessed it. It is the letter I. Just like the letter H, the letter I also has two ways, which is the uppercase I and the lowercase I. Now how can we sound out the letter I? Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Would you like to try? Very good! You are doing great! Now let's think about a word that starts with the letter I. What could that be? That's right! It is an igloo. Eh, 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 igloo. Eh, 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 igloo. Now you can try. Well done! You learned to say the word igloo. Now can you think of another word that starts with the letter I? What word could this be? How about an insect? Eh, 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 insect. Eh, 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 insect. Now it's your turn. Fantastic work! Now you can say the word insect. How about another word with the letter I? Do you know what this is? You got it. It is an iguana. Eh, 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 iguana. Eh, 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 iguana. Now would you like to say it? Excellent work! I am so proud of you. You've learned to say the word iguana. Now you know the sounds and the words of the letters G, H, and I. So next time you see words that starts with the letters G, H, and I, you can try to sound them out. You guys did an amazing job. And now we are at the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice cause learning is fun. Goodbye! If you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe, share it with friends, and always, thanks for watching. Goodbye!